Welcome to AMT booth 1511. Here to talk about a really cool application from our customers, Point Designs, using the MJF technology, the color printer to add really unique colors. This is a partial hand prosthetic that is custom to every patient, which is what's giving 3D printing the unique benefit to going that route. And then they have articulating fingers at the end, which is really cool. So now they're giving use to the application, to the prosthetic for the person, the patient that's using it. And then as they grow, this could be for a child. As they get bigger, they just reprint another one. They already have the existing scan of the hand, so now they just kind of size up and change the color, change the pattern, put your favorite team on here, do whatever you want. And then we vapor smooth it. And now that part is sealed, cleanable, sterilizable, air and water tight, ready for the world. So come by, check us out at our booth, and be sure to rock on.